Hello people of the internet, I am the Gaming Harvey. I don't know if you've done a video and my brother got me really annoyed, so I started it again. So I'm going to go through what I've put on it so far, but now my brother here must do it again and again. So I put armour upgrade 100%, so it's fully. Brakes is race brakes. Engine is EMS upgrade level 4 fully. Exhaust is dual exit exhaust, that's the best one. Hood is a stock hood. Horn, I've got the clown horn. Lights, I've got the X-Eon lights. Plate, I've got the yellow and black. Respray, I'm gonna change it. Not colour. Oh, I just saw a nice blue. Dark blue, yeah, you're nice. But I've put metallic on it, just realised about that. Metallics are lovely. Okay, that bright orange is nice, so we can put lime on it, that makes it a nice green. Spoiler, we put high level spoiler. The suspension is full, so it'll be low. The suspension, whatever, I can't read, is bottom. I don't need to, I'm just going to put turbo on it anyway. So I'm going to put sport tyres on my car. So I'm gonna put, what colour should I wheels shall I put? So let's put royal blue. Car accessories, we're gonna put custom tyres, bulletproof tyres. We're gonna do some purple tyre smoke. Lights are gonna be pure black. So I've done up my car so far. That is really quick. So let's see how fast she can go. So she can go quite fast. I'm gonna call her Pikachu. I love Pikachu. Pokemon. Pikachu is a really good Pokemon. Pikachu! I love the word Pikachu. When you say it, you can't stop saying it because Pikachu sounds such a cute name. You will say it all day. Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Let's try to find a motorway. Oh, that was good timing. Oh, way, get off. We have no friends. Move. You ready? Yo, go. Alright. Let's go. Let's put it in. Oh, I haven't got first person yet, but I will soon. Yeah, this is so nice. Woo! We go so fast. I'm looking through my camera, so it looks a bit better when I go in first person mode. Woo! Ooh. Go, 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 go. This car is a beauty. I love this. This is going to be my new car. Even though I've done up dozens of cars. I've done about 2 dozens, that's 12. I've done about 12 cars. So right now, let's see how much, because you can go on brief. I think it's that. No, it's not. It's on stats. Yeah. 100% checklist. On Michael, I have played 18 hours, 18 minutes, 31 seconds. So, cash. So I have spent doing up cars. I've spent $940,919 just doing up cars. So that is just by doing up some cars. I think I'm getting quite popular. By the views, they go up quite a bit. So now we're going on completely different. Even though my car's really nice. So my views have gone up to about 811. That's when I checked earlier. And yeah, so I've got about 811 views. So that's for look. I've got quite a lot of people that have come and checked out my channel. So thank you. Oh no, it can't. This car cannot cut out on me. Yes, you're a beauty. There's rats. There's rats. They are rats. There's rats. They're rats. Is there any more? And if they were, they're going to be gassed. So this is my car. That's from the side. That's the shop door. It looks a bit like Bumblebee. So that is it from the side. That it is from the front. That is it from the other side. That's it from the back. So let's drive down here. It is a pretty damn nice, sweet car. Love it. So yesterday, I don't know when it was, I got this mini figure. Can you see it? Mini. I got little Steve mini figure. Yeah, little Steve mini figure. Let's just plonk him on there. And yeah, so let's get back into the game. Sorry, I'll keep going on completely different stuff. So, views, let's go back to them. I have got 811 about. I've got 6 subs. If we could get to about 10 subs, greatly appreciated. Because I'd love it if we could get to 10 subs. Because this is my 50th what is it? 50th video. So it is 50th video. Is it back? Oh, the back comes down. Oh, never knew that. Oh yes, this is nice. Yes, it's clever. Let's put the roof back up. Look, I'm just gonna keep it like this so I can see through the camera. So it's really good. That's so damn sweet. I love it. Go. Look at that. It's lovely the way it does that. That is lovely. So for the camera, it looks orange, but through my screen, it isn't. It's supposed to be. It's meant to be yellow. But like I said, I'm getting a capture, and whoa, the back of my car fell off. Part of my car fell off, I think. I'll be getting a capture, and I've got £10, and I've got £10, and I'm saving to get £19.99, so basically £20 to get a Minecraft Zombie medium plush. So yeah, I'm saving to get one of them, and I really cannot wait until I get one. Yeah, what should I do about now? I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to turn my volume up loud so you can hear the music. And yep, so all I'm going to do is drive up and down. And yeah. So this is where I'm going to say bye, because I'm not going to speak. I'm just going to end the video. Good. By the way, if you're not clever like me, so let me say again, I'm going to say bye, but I'm not going to end the video. So I'm going to end the video when I'm not speaking. Goodbye.